Hi Douglas Fir, it's Allie with our sound of the week. This week the letter is O. The sound is ah. Let's practice writing an O. First get your writing fingers ready, your resting fingers tucked away. Start on the bottom, curve up, stop, back around, up, and out. Ah. Let's practice writing an O. I've got my orange marker. Remember your pencil grip. Start at the baseline, curve up, stop, back around, down, up, and loop out. Ah. For those of you learning to write capital letters, start at the top, curve down, around, come back up, and loop out. Ah. What can you think of that starts with ah? Octopus, ostrich, omelet. Can you draw a picture of all the things that you can think of that start with ah? Or maybe write a list of all the words. I think I will write a silly sentence with as many ah words as I can think of. The omnivorous otter ate an olive omelet at ostrich's office. Now I want to do some pin poking, but first I'm trying to think of a shape that starts with ah. Octagon. An octagon is a geometric shape with 8 straight lines and 8 angles, like a stop sign. To do pin poking, you'll need a marker, some construction paper, some felt or corkboard or carpet, and a push pin. The larger the better, but any size will work. First, draw your shape, and then if you're using felt like I am, fold it in half. Place your shape on top of the felt, holding your pin just like a pencil, and begin poking little holes on the black line. Should look like this. Keep going all the way around. When you are done pin poking your shape, you can begin to remove the shape from the paper by tearing along your pin poked holes. You did it! What other shapes could you pin poke out? Have fun!